Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So when you searching, so the 10 crash, so Windows searching is crashing. So how to solve? So firstly guys, click to start and type registry. Okay, right click to run as administrator. Then click to yes. Then go to local user. This one second. Current user. Then software. Then Microsoft. Then Windows. Then current version. Then search. So guys, this is search, and firstly we want to backup. Export on desktop, backup, and save on if you want to location like this is, and then right click to delete. Then guys, you restart your systems, and if do not show again, so double click to backup folder. Okay, now second solution guys, click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Yes. So guys, this is 4 command I will give in description, so one by one type, otherwise you can copy also. And then enter. Okay, so this is 4 command for repair some corrupted files and check health like this. Okay, again restoring also, so you can enter and then restart. Okay, this command I will give you in description, so you then finally restart and then check. Okay, bye bye, take care.